Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord messages failed to load on iPhone. How to fix it. So if you encounter an error where messages fail to load on Discord, start by force closing the app. Reopen the app and try sending messages again. Step 2. Clear cache and reinstall the app. Go to settings. Scroll down and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap on Discord. Tap on offload app, and after that tap on reinstall to reinstall Discord. Check if this resolves the issue. If not, go to web and log in your Discord and try using Discord through browser instead of using from app. If it's still the problem persists, try changing your network connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to cellular data. That's it. Thanks for watching. See